Hello guys, this is Donzia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can get your new tax ID, whether for your business or for individual. Please note that in this video, you are not going to be able to download the thing, your tax ID, as we did previously when trying to get our team. So this newly introduced portal by the federal government after the tax reform is for you to retrieve your tax ID, whether for your business or for your individual. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. Come to your Chrome, either on your phone or on your PC. Come to your Chrome browser, then enter this address: taxid.nirs.gov.ng. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the link to this website in the comment section below, the description box of this video. So once you get to this website page, this is what you are going to see. Now once you see this, you can see, as you have here, you can see that there is individual means personal, for personal use, while there is also for corporate. So now for corporate, it means that it is for business. You are getting the tax ID for your business accounts, your company accounts, or any other entity accounts that is not individual accounts. No, so now I'm going to generate one this I'm going to generate a tax ID for myself using my business name and my personal ID. So now, to generate for individual, as you can see, I'm under individual right here. To generate for individual, so I'm going to click on use my NIN number, and then I'm going to enter my NIN number right here. So after I've entered my NIN number, then what I'm going to click on is to retrieve tax ID. As you can see, it said that I should enter my first name, last name, and my date of birth. So I'm going to enter my first name, my last name, and my date of birth. And my date of birth. After entering anything that is correctly written as it is on my NIN, then I'm going to click on submit. So once I click on submit, as you can see, it said that, dear Nuruddin, your NIN has been successfully verified and matches a tax ID in our system. Your tax ID is this my tax ID. So what I'm going to do next is to copy the tax ID, and once you have copied the tax ID, you can keep it, use it for anything you want to use it for. So and if you want to generate for another person, you click on reset and everything. Now if you now want to generate for your business, your company that has been registered, so what you are going to do is, we need your business ID, your business registration number, the BN number or the RC number. So once you have it, you are going to click on business name. Once you click on business name or business name, you are going to enter your business ID. Now to enter your business ID, this is my own business ID. As you can see the way I enter my business ID right here. I did not put any RN or BN, I just entered the number only, the business number only. So then you are going to click on retrieve tax ID. As you can see, See, now I want you to notice, see right here, as you can see, this was generated as Donzia's communication. As you can see, now I want you to take note, this was generated as Donzia communication because previously I registered my business name, my company, as ordinary business name, not a company, but I have upgraded it to a company registration, which means it will automatically carry limited, which is Donzia Communications Limited. Now I'm just going to quickly do something right here. Just click on company, and let me reset, then company, and I'm going to enter the same ID, and I'm going to click on retrieve tax ID. As you can see now, voila, this is what I'm telling you. As you can see, Donzia Communication Limited. As you can see, same business ID, same business number, but with two different tax ID. So if you register your business, your company, as a business name before, and you want to generate your tax ID, you won't generate it as business name, rather you will generate it as company, since you have already upgraded your business name. So but if not upgraded your business name to a company, so that means you have to do with business name. I hope you are getting me, I hope you are not missing my point. So as you can see, we have business name and we have company. This is company registration. As you can see, it carries limited. Any name that carry limited